Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a search ad in Google Ads account. To create a search ad in Google Ads account, you need to open your Google Ads account and then click on overview and then now click on create a new campaign. So after that you need to select your objective, and in this case while creating a search ad my objective is to get leads, so I'm choosing leads as my objective. And I wanted to choose my campaign type as search ad because I'm creating here a search ad for you. So I'm creating a search ad, and I would like to reach my goal for website visits. And for that, to here you need to enter your landing page of your website, and for that here you need to get ready with your um, campaign planning summary. So I'm going to open my campaign planning summary that I have prepared. So here is my campaign planning summary, and I'm going to take my landing page from here, and this is my landing page. Here enter your landing page and then click on continue. So campaign name we have to give it here. For campaign names, for writing campaign name, we have to write. There is a formula like product hyphen objective of your campaign, and then ad type, and then campaign date. So I have decided my product name, so that I'm going to take it from my campaign planning summary. So this is what I have chosen for my campaign name. So I'm going to copy and paste it here. So DNC combo is my product name and leads is my objective. The type of ad I'm creating is search ad, and the campaign planning date I'm going to create it from 20th February is my campaign planning date. So I'm giving the same date here and then click on continue. So here bidding, I want to, what do you want to focus on? Here I want to focus only on conversions. So I'm choosing conversion here, and I do not know what is the average cost for the conversion action because this is my first campaign. So I'm leaving it as empty, and I'm going to click continue. And now in networks here you can choose you can choose for which location you wanted to run your ad. So here I'm going to choose Kochi. So I wanted to run my search ad in location of Kochi, Kerala. So I'm choosing this, and then language, it is English. It was selected to English only, and then click on more settings. So here I would like to select my campaign dates. So start date I'm going to give you as 20th, and end date I'm going to give you 21st of February 2025, and then click on next. And please do not touch this keyword and desert generation. So for this you just need to leave it. You just need to click on skip, and you can go to keyword and ads. So for this, you must need to get ready with your keywords that you need to done it from your keyword research, and I was already done my keyword research, and I'm already ready with my keywords. So I'm going to taking my keywords from this campaign planning summary, and I'm going to paste it here. These are the keywords that I wanted to run my ad. And display path is the one thing that it will appear in the search engine result page. So I'm giving it digital marketing course online. I'm giving this, and then headlines also. You can select up to 15 headlines. Then I was already ready with my headlines. So I'm going to delete whatever they have given here. So default headlines I'm going to deleting, and then I'll give my headlines that I have done in my campaign planning summary. These are the some basic headlines that Google has suggested us from the landing page that we have given, but I don't wanted to use them, so I'm deleting them. And you can add up to 15 headlines. So my first headline is digital marketing course online. Study digital marketing online. Online digital marketing course is my third headline. And here there is a character limitation of 30 characters, so you please make sure the character should not exceed the 30 characters for each and every headline. And you can take your keywords as your headlines for the first four, and then you can choose the benefits and features from your landing page. I have chosen the same way. Fifth one, I am taking it from my features and benefits, that is learn from real time experts. Sixth headline is one on one student mentorship. I have chosen whatever the attractive features and benefits that you can find from your landing page. You can take all of them into your headlines, and you must be ready with your descriptions also. To create descriptions, you can use ChatGPT. It will help you better. So here I can add up to 15 headlines, and I'm already prepared my 15 headlines. So I'm going to continue more, adding more and more headlines to continue up to 15. These are all the features and benefits that I have chosen from my landing page. This could be a little longer video, but please focus because this is a more important task. So I'm choosing all my headlines here. Now this is my last headline. I mean, this is the last feature I have selected from my landing page. That was the career guidance. And whatever the descriptions here they have given, I'm going to delete them because I was ready with my own description, so I do not wanted to use these descriptions given by Google from my landing page. So I'm going to delete all these, and I'm going to delete my I'm going to copy these descriptions that I have created from my page. So this is my first description. I'm going to copy. Second description that I have created, and here also please be make sure that it should not be stuffed with only with keywords. Try to create a description one with your keywords and one without keyword. That means one you must focus on the benefits and features to write a description also. And to write the description also, ChatGPT will give you a better options, so you can use ChatGPT. And for this writing description also, there is a character limit, so please make sure. And once you enter the description also, please make sure which one is coming in the first headline, first place in the headline, and what needs to come in a second place in your headline. Please make sure by pinning them here. So I'm going to make it my keywords to come or show only in the first position. So I'm going to pin them. My keywords, I wanted to show them only in the position 1. So all my 4 keywords, I'm going to pinning them to only in the position 1. And in the same way, description also, whatever the descriptions that I have written with my keywords, I'm choosing them to show only in the position 1, because in descriptions also they will show two descriptions. One is with keyword and other is a without keyword. So I'm choosing in that way. So these 1 and 2 descriptions are with keywords. So I'm choosing them to keep it in position 1, and these two descriptions mainly focused on the features and benefits. So this will come automatically at the second place. And here you can also see study digital marketing online and interactive learning, like that. And now you can click on done, and then you can click on next. And now bidding is a value, I mean, select the average you want to you want to spend each day. So as this is just a dummy ad, I wanted to choose my custom budget. So I wanted to choose my custom budget only 100 rupees per day, 100 or 200 per day, because I do not have any money in my wallet. So I'm going with some random amount in my dummy search ad that I'm showing to you. And you can review whatever you have entered till now. You can review here in the review page. Once you review all these things and once you feel everything is correct, then you can go and publish your ad. And once you are ready, once your review is done, then just go and publish your campaign. And that's it, guys. Now that your search ad has been published in your Google Ad account, and if you load your wallet with money, then it will go live. uh, and that's it. Thank you.